The United Kingdom is an island nation with one of the world's largest economies and a proud cultural heritage. As the United Kingdom strives to meet its target of becoming carbon neutral by 2050, solar power will become a dominant player in renewable power generation. As one of the world's most influential global players, the world is looking to nations like the United Kingdom to lead the way in tackling the challenges of climate change. We feel very lucky to be part of their journeys to using renewable energy and are proud of our contribution to the United Kingdom's goal of achieving net zero emissions. We believe solutions that are simple, smart, green and reliable are the future. Through continued investments in innovation, Huawei will endeavour to bring green energy to every person, home and organisation.
The students are really excited about our solar PV panels and all the works we've done here at St Andrews. We cover in the curriculum a lot about the changes in the environment and what we can do to support that. So the children, from day one of them being installed, were so excited to see the workmen in place and asking lots of questions about how it all worked and how it fitted on the roof. So it's been an amazing teaching point for us and something that they can take ownership over.
Hi, this is our primary school, St Andrews in Chedworth.
I'm part of the Eco Council and we had a school knit day and everyone was really pleased with the solar panels.
I think the benefit of having solar panels is that it's way better for the environment and we still get loads of energy out of it.
This school at St Andrews in Chedworth, we've installed 30 385 watt JA all black solar panels to tie in with the local environment. We've also installed 2 Huawei Sun 2000 inverters linked to a lunar 5 kilowatt hour battery module. We can actually install further 5 kilowatt hour battery modules up to 30 kilowatts through a plug and play system, so it really does give the school the flexibility that it needs going forward.
Huawei uses optimizers to increase the performance of the panels by optimizing the performance on shaded areas. Also, it means we have a longer string design, which helps us to cater for roofs with different elevations. In terms of active safety, we have built-in AFCI technology, that's arc fault circuit interrupter. That means that we've got algorithms built into the inverters that are able to detect and shut down the inverter in the event of an arc fault event in less than 0.5 seconds. And in terms of better design, the products look good. You'd want to have these products in your home. But it's not just about looking good, they're easy to install, they're easy to commission and they're easy to manage through our Fusion Solar app.
We chose to install a Huawei inverter because Huawei are a respected brand. The product itself is very low maintenance, it's easy to use and it's a very innovative product.
With Huawei products, we've had a really good experience. The products have been very, very reliable. We've had absolutely no failures ever since we started working, and we have a very good team at the Huawei side who help us and support us both technically and with marketing as well. So extremely happy with what we get.
So for staff and governors here at St Andrews, it's been an aim for us to be net zero carbon for quite a few years now. We've undertaken a huge amount of work. Although there are some economic benefits to the school in terms of our cost saving installing the solar PV panels, this was more of a moral decision for us so that we could have a sustainable school for the future.
EG Group is a leading independent forecourt operator based out of the UK. We operate across 10 international markets and we have a network of 6,000 sites. We engage over 50,000 colleagues who deliver the brand standards and customer experience of over 60 brands. We started our business back in 2001 with a single site just down the road in Bury, Manchester. Today we are running an international business, and sustainability is at the heart of our strategy. As a responsible operator, EG Group is committed to sustainability. Whether that is looking at our people strategies or the environment, we want to make a difference. Over the years, with regards to the environment, we have invested heavily on LED lighting, recycling, rainwater harvesting, and we've spent over £12 million on a solar PV system.
We are at Eurogarage's headquarters, where we just finished installing a 400 kilowatt commercial PV system. Primary reason to choose Huawei with the tier 1 solar panels was it's a very, very robust product, negligible fail rate, and very, very flexible when it comes to design and implementation of the design and different conditions and environments. Hence we had to use the best products we could find for in terms of efficiency and performance. Huawei ties in with that. The Huawei has one of the most efficient inverters on the market. It fits in with the whole model of Eurogarage's and U Energy's core values to deliver most efficient carbon neutral solutions.
The products are designed to blend into the home or the commercial property, whether they're installed inside or outside. They don't use any wearable parts, and we use natural cooling, which means they're both much more reliable and also very quiet, which is important too.
The solar PV solution we've implemented underpins our net zero carbon strategy as we move forward. What it also does, it lays the foundation for EV charging and battery storage solutions from our sites.
This was a challenging roof because it faces all different directions and they did different levels and shadings. We had many design challenges. We found that Huawei suited the best. And the other primary reason for choosing Huawei is the efficiency level. It gives you more efficiency than all the other competitors. Flexibility, efficiency, economy, everything is there. So there was no other choice but to choose Huawei.
When embarking on such an ambitious initiative, it's important that you create the right partnership in terms of supply chain. Through U Energy and Huawei, we have found the right technology partners to take EG Group to a net zero carbon neutral place.
2021 was actually very successful and very challenging year for Huawei Technologies. It was very challenging because of the COVID-19 pandemic, but it was also successful to us because we successfully released our new product portfolios. For example, we just released our AC coupled energy storage solution alongside with our 215 kTL inverters. And also we successfully delivered our new products in the residential business, which are coupled with a residential storage solution.
It's about a 4.6 kilowatt system, 12 JA solar panels into a GSE in-roof mounting system. Wanted to keep it aesthetically pleasing using the GSE. And we've got a Huawei 3.68 inverter with 15 kilowatts of battery. We install other battery systems and other inverters, but the ease of install, the price point, it worked out quite well, and being my brother's house, it was quite a good site to try it on and get the teething problems out of the way so that we can roll it out to some other customers. So it's worked quite well. We've got some other systems going out this month. We've used the Huawei optimizers as well, which sort of maximizes everything we can get out of the system.
I would like to tell you a little bit more about a particular project, and it is Grange Solar Farm. Grange Solar Farm was successfully delivered together with Next Energy Capital, and it is one of the biggest bifacial sites in the UK which is using our latest technologies, which is the 185 kTL with multiple MPPTs and IV curve tracing.
Next Energy Capital currently owns 60 megawatt peak of Huawei assets within its total 1 gigawatt portfolio. As part of a recent round of acquisition, we acquired a further 100 megawatts of Huawei inverters into our portfolio. We made that call on the basis of a strategic partnership with the company who can provide us good technical support and is available for us when we need them, and most importantly, they help us to ensure that our uptime is always secured and our yield is always produced out of our important systems. The smart O&M capability of Huawei inverters was a very important position for Next Energy Capital as an investor. We chose the inverters because of the smart IV curve testing capabilities, the M-bus comms over the AC cables, which reduce capex. We were also very interested in the string configuration because the string configuration enables us as an investor to ensure that our yield and uptime is maintained. But also, and more importantly, the string configuration modules with the bifacial modules and the MPPT tracker are very important because that means that our system always is available to us and we never reduce any income from our asset.
We decided to go with Huawei from the point of view that technically the system is very robust. It checks out all the engineering requirements, all the specifications that we look for. From construction point of view, the big plus point that I see is how easy it is to install on site. The installers that we work with, they have worked with the product, they are aware of how the installation goes. That is a very big plus point. As it is easy to install the product, it helps us achieve our project milestones and deadlines on time. So it is very good from construction point of view. The other point I'll bring up is the commissioning support. It is brilliant. Every time we have had any technical questions during commissioning phase, the support has been brilliant.
The Grange solar farm is 50 megawatt DC. It has 262 Huawei string inverter, 185 kTL.
We chose specifically to pair string inverters with bifacial modules in order to increase and improve the availability of our plant.
It will supply 13,000 local homes with the pure renewable power. The site will save around 70,000 tons carbon emission for each year.
Today we have signed a strategic MOU between Boom Power, which is the first major milestone for cooperation between two companies. We believe this is very important for Huawei because it will help us to expand our digital power business in UK. We hope that we are able to contribute to the green environment agenda as well. But of course, we can't do it alone on ourselves. We need strong, powerful, innovative partners to work together with us. And we believe Boom Power is one of those partners.
Yeah, I'm delighted to be here. This is a formal ceremony of our signing of an MOU and a strategic alignment with Huawei. That's, if you look at the solar park and the energy we're producing, the brains of the conversion of that energy from the Huawei product. So we'll be adopting that product from the monitoring and control of the solar park through to the inverter, through to the substation, and then the energy storage that accompanies that. And that will be for all products across all of our solar platforms.
We see clear commitments from different governments, including UK, for the carbon neutral. And we believe there are big potentials for us in this industry. On the other hand, we also have many years work in this area for renewable energy. We believe we are not only able to bring and expand the business in this area, but also can help to save the environment and have a more sustainable future.